that goes far beyond any man can understand. Be a guiding light for our hearts and minds in Lord Jesus for all men. Never be afraid of anything, just pray and keep the faith. Rejoice and pray, give thanks all day, for the Lord is here. Rejoice and pray, give thanks all day. With our God we'll have no fear. The Lord is always near.